Find your friends via GPS with these 5 free Android apps. Admittedly, it sounds a bit creepy, but these days most people continually broadcast their whereabouts on social media anyway. Surely one more privacy eroding app won't hurt. If you want the best location finding apps, GPS tracking apps, and ways to find a friend's location, keep reading. Over time, Glympse has become one of the most popular location apps on the Play Store. The central premise of the app is being able to quickly and easily share your GPS location with friends, family, and co-workers. One of the best features of Glympse is that it doesn't require recipients to sign up to see where you are on a map, they just need a web connection. That makes Glympse different from other location sharing apps like WhatsApp and Google Maps. Glympse also has an important safety feature: all Glympses automatically expire after a set period of time. There is thus no danger that you'll forget to turn off location sharing and accidentally broadcast your whereabouts for hours. Sygic Family Locator is the best app on this list for anyone who has kids and wants to keep abreast of their location all the time. You can use it to see the real-time location of anyone else in your family who uses the app. There's also a built-in messaging service to contact the other users. Most importantly, from a child's safety perspective, Sygic Family Locator has an SOS button for parents. When pressed, it will immediately flag the kid's position on a map. It's useful on family trips in large public spaces, where kids are prone to wander off on their own. Parents can also set up notifications so they receive an alert when the child reaches a particular destination, such as school or a friend's house. And the app supports the creation of safe, unsafe zones, if a child crosses a boundary. The parents get an alert. Lots of people want to know how to find a friend's location by mobile number. But we've done some research, and there aren't any solutions worth recommending. One app that was once a popular way to find a friend's phone location was Mobile Number Locator. But the vast majority of recent reviews are poor. As a result, we'd recommend Find My Friends for anyone who needs an app to locate friends. The core feature is obviously plotting the GPS location on a map in real time. But the app has a few other functions that help it stand out. These include temporary location sharing, a built-in instant messaging chat service, a directions finder, and an estimated time of arrival calculator. You can enable and disable the location sharing as needed, and it offers granular settings to control exactly who can see your location. Although the primary use case for many apps in this category is to keep an eye on your children, they are also handy for anyone who spends a lot of time off the beaten path. Specifically, we're talking about hikers, walkers, and campers. Hiking in unfamiliar areas can pose a real danger to your safety. If the weather suddenly changes, it's easy to get lost. As such, it might make sense to install a GPS tracker on your device before you depart. The developers created the map with hikers in mind. All the maps have elevation measurements, and latitude and longitude coordinates for your location are provided in both degrees and UTM/WSG84. You can also load other users' routes and get an audible alarm if you stray too far away from where you're supposed to be. It relies on the person sharing their location with you, so it might not be the best option for some situations. However, for groups of friends or colleagues trying to arrange a meetup, it will more than suffice. If you want to know how to share your location with friends on Google Maps, follow the instructions below. Remember, if you are a member of a Google family group, you will already have access to the GPS locations of any participating children. Live 360 uses circles to manage who you share your location with. So whether you want an app to track friends or your family, it's worth checking out. You can choose when you share your location with each circle. For example, you might want to share your location with your buddies while on a night out, but not during the rest of the week. The circles approach affords you that level of control. Unlike many location sharing apps, Sygic Family GPS Locator is less of a drain on your phone's battery thanks to the SLC, Significant Location Change, feature. It ensures the app won't fire up if you walk a short distance within your property. Instead, it will only start recording when you move a considerable distance. Other features include alerts for when family members arrive at a destination, seeing a week's worth of location history on a map, and a way to assign location-based tasks with family members via shared to-do lists. Apps are not the only way to track people that you want to keep an eye on. There are wearables, web services, and even some search engines that can help. Want to track a person down? The web has several powerful search tools and networks to help you find someone online. If you're interested in location data, you might also consider using the best offline navigation apps for Android. Text source, makeuseof.com.